I'm Juliette Sear, a working mum of 3 whose love affair with baking started 20 years ago with some rather dodgy cakes for my children's birthdays. But that was then. This is now. Baking is pretty much my life.
Just be really creative, there's no right or wrong.
From celebration cakes to afternoon teas, I've tackled everything baking can throw at me. From dodgy blenders
Fighting with the food processor as usual.
to some seriously stubborn cake tins.
It's really slippery. Help me.
So now it's time to share everything I've learned with you.
Anything is possible.
From classic comfort food to the latest trends, there's wow factor for any occasion, be it Christmas, birthdays or beyond.
And if that wasn't enough, I'm baking sensational savoury dishes too.
Get ready for tasty tarts, perfect pasta and lovingly handcrafted pies, plus some incredible plant-based delights too. To top it all off, I'm catching up with some of my mates and special guests who've all made their flowery mark on the world of baking. Plus, we'll hear from the experts behind some of our favourite treats and learn the secrets to some pretty epic creations.
So grab yourself a cuppa and get ready for some seriously beautiful baking.